also known as Noble Strength, and welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate all of you, and I just, wanted to let you know that. So if you're into fashion, you're into handbags, you're into being uplifted and encouraged, and you like things about art, then this is the channel for you. For those of you who've been with me for a long time, you know that my channel was started around thrifting, and I still do a lot of thrifting. I believe in being a good steward of your finances and saving money when you can. And every now and then I buy things brand new, but they're still on sale, if you know what I mean. So these are some things that I ordered from Tory Burch, and I thought I'd share them with you. So this is going to be a true unboxing. You're going to be seeing them for the first time like I am. And so yes, if you like that kind of thing, go ahead, click like and subscribe. I'd love to have you. So we'll chat and unbox at the same time. So I ordered these things a couple of weeks ago. I got them last week, and then I've had to go out of town to Memphis for a memorial. My aunt passed away in November. I mentioned that a while back. And so we went there. We thought we'd go ahead and have it anyway, and a lot of people didn't come, which is to be expected, but it still was a really, really nice memorial. So I was out of town and couldn't open up the boxes prior to leaving, so I'm opening them up now. And let me know if you guys have been doing any traveling in the midst of all of this. It wasn't so bad, actually, not at all in the least. Traveling was not bad at all. So this is it. This is how it comes packaged, guys. You have your card. When you order it as a gift, they give you a card so you can write something in it, or you can type something up when you get it and they'll print it in the card. So you get that. And then your receipt comes in this nice little envelope. It's a very heavy cardstock with the embossing of the Tory Burch double stacked tees. And then it has this beautiful orange wrapping paper that I usually don't take, I just slide out. So here is the bag. I just like ordering for the beautiful packaging. I think it's really nicely done. I love the design in it. You know me as an artist, I'm just all into that presentation. So this is the bag. And I did order a pair of shoes and a handbag. So it looks like these are the shoes. All right, there we go. So this is the box that the shoes are in. Nicely done. And I like that the little ribbon is like elastic, and it even has a rubber band in the middle. I've never ordered shoes from Tory Burch. These are the only, this is like the, I've ordered one other thing prior to these two things. So this is like 3 things total that I have Tory Burch that I've ordered from the line. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alrighty. And I ordered some flats because I hear a lot of people talking about how comfortable the flats are. So this is a dust bag, cute little medallion there, tassel. That's nice. Okay. I love unpackaging, don't you guys? I don't know, it's just something about getting into the surprise, peeling back layers and seeing what's in. So this is what I ordered. I think these are called it is the Minnie Cap-Toe Ballet Slipper, and this is in brilliant red and bright azalea. So very nice, and I love the little gold detailing around the heel here. Let's go ahead and take this out. Cute, look at that. Nice little toe detailing, and then the bottom is leather sole. Very nice. And then it has a leather insole here. All of this is leather, so it's all leather except for this part here. There's rubber here, but really nice, guys. Can't wait to see how they fit. I made sure I read all of the reviews, and most people said that they were true to size. There were a few that said they fit a little snug, but I thought I'd just go ahead and order my normal size, which is a 9.5, and that is what I did. And it has this little ribbon stripping going underneath with the contrasting of the leathers. I just think that is absolutely nice. And it has the elastics for stretch. And I'll try them on and let you know how I feel about them at the end of the video. All right, so that's the first thing that I ordered. All right, on to the next one, which is the handbag, and you know how much I love handbags. And I know a lot of you have been ordering and taking advantage of these sales because I've been watching your videos. So shout out to Mono's Beauty. I've been watching your videos, girl, and you got a bag from Tory Burch that I have been wanting to get, and that was that quilted, like convertible bag within the, what was it? Some type of pink, like a bright pink color, beautiful, but they were sold out. I kind of hesitated because they did have it when I first looked at it, and then I was like, should I get it, should I not get it? And I hee-hawed around too long and I missed out. But I took advantage and got some other things. So once again, you got that same thing, your receipt and all of that. And this one I did not order as a gift, so and this is called Crazy Pink, and it is the Perry Satchel, the Small Perry Satchel in Crazy Pink. Oh, and that's the pink color that Mono's Beauty had. Got a lot of stuff coming out. All right, so I'm gonna take a moment to unwrap all of this, and then I'll be right back, okay? So give me just a minute. All right, I finally got all the wrapping off. It was very well wrapped. So in case you ever order from Tory Burch, you will know it will be very well wrapped. So this is the Perry Satchel that I got. And this is in the, what did I say it was again? Let's look, I can't remember. Let's look at the tag. But this is it. It's just a cute little mini satchel. I'm not gonna unstuff the inside. I wanna keep it stuffed, but it did come with a dust bag. So let's see. This is the Perry Small Satchel in Crazy Pink, and the suggested retail price is $498, but that is not what I paid. It was much less than that. It was like $240 something, I believe. Really, really nice. So this is a nice pebbled leather. It has the Tory Burch embossing in gold here. And this is a cute little orange little clochette with the Tory Burch logo in metal, kind of hanging out, peeking out. I think that's cute. Got the two pulls here. And I like how this catches here, but this can come undone. You can slide that through underneath if you want. Why you would want to, I don't know, but it can come undone. So that slides in there. And then it does have the D-rings on opposing sides because it does come with a longer strap, so you can wear it crossbody or shoulder. This is what it looks like on the bottom. And let's check out. So this is what it looks like from the side. It does come with the strap, and it also came with a dust bag. And it has one slip pocket, just one, right here on this side. So really cute, I like it. I'm very pleased. I'm pleased with how it came boxed. I'm pleased with the quality of it. It looks good, it's very well stuffed. I was hoping that it wouldn't come shipped like flattened out or anything. So this is what I ordered, guys. I will go ahead and show you how it carries, and I'll show you what it looks like on crossbody and give you some close-up shots as well as some dimensions, as I always do. So please stick around. I will be right back.
Introducing the new Perry Small Satchel. This is an interpretation of the bowler bag. It is crafted in rich pebbled leather that is bonded inside, making it soft yet structured. Contrast color details appear throughout, from the interior to the brushed gold logo charm. This bag fits all phone sizes up to an iPhone 11 Pro and a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It has a zipper closure, leather handles with a 4.8-inch drop, one interior slit pocket, removable logo charm. Dust bag is included, and the measurements are height 7 inches, length 8.8 inches, and depth 4.6 inches. To clean this bag, clean with a soft cotton cloth dampened with water. So this is what the bag looks like carried handheld. As you can see, the size is a nice size. You can fit a lot, and in relation to my medium frame and my 5'8" height, it's a good size and it fits nicely on the arm. This is with the strap, wearing as a shoulder bag, and you can adjust the strap. This is what it looks like as a crossbody, and I just love the bright vivid colors of this bag. Very eye-catching, perfect for spring, and I think it really is a great combo for these slippers. These shoes are super comfortable. I told you I would let you know how they feel. They have a cushion on the inside that is just like walking on air, and they have that stretch to them. Very, very nice.
Well guys, thank you so much for tuning in for this Tory Burch unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't have anything else to do, and I just thought I'd do this unboxing with you and show you what I got from Tory Burch. But yeah, and how are you guys adjusting to, you know, everything that's going on? I've been pretty good with everything because my faith keeps me going, you know, prayer, it hasn't been so bad. The only thing I'm missing now is going to the hair salon, so thus the head wrap. I was having a really bad hair day, I mean a terrible hair day, and I just didn't feel like fussing with it. So I looked up a tutorial online and found a way to do a nice little stylish wrapping. So that is why I'm sporting this today. It's because I couldn't do anything with my hair. I was just too done with it. So, but other than that, everything is good, and I am just loving life. It's, you know, a good thing to be alive. So thanks so much for tuning in. I love you guys, and remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you, because He truly loves us so much. And I'll see you next time. Bye.